Question number 2. Regular expression for all string starts with AB and ends with BBA is. First option is ABA star B star BBA. Second one is 1AB AB star BBA. Third one is AB A plus B star BBA. And the last option is all of the mentioned. The first option is ABA BBBA. This regular partially matches the requirement. It allows AB at the beginning and BBA at the end with any character dot star in between. However, the A star only allows 0 or more, not at least 1. Second option is star AB bracket AB BBA. This regex only allows string with repeated AB patterns in the middle. It would not match string like ABBBA where AB does not it repeat. Third option is asterisk AB A plus B BBA. AB matches the literal AB at the beginning. A plus B asterisk matches one or more occurrence of either A or B captured in the parentheses. This allows for any number of characters including 0 in between AB and BBA. BBA matches the literal BBA at the end. Last option is all of the mentioned. As explained above, option A and B have limitations. Only option C accurately captures the desired pattern. The correct option is C. AB A plus B star BBA.